Good morning, students. On today, I am going to discuss with you purification of colloidal solution. Means purification of colloids. There are two types of method. There are two types of impurities are present in colloidal solution, such as insoluble impurities and soluble impurities. Insoluble impurities are removed by filtration. Insoluble impurities can be removed by filtration. These impurities remains on filter paper while the colloidal solution is separated by filtration. And soluble impurities should be electrolyte. Main impurities as soluble impurities such as electrolyte. There are two following method to purification of colloidal solution. First is dialysis and second is ultrafiltration. Dialysis is the most important topic, is related to your examination. Okay. So now, what is dialysis? Dialysis is the process to pure colloidal solution using parchment paper or animal membrane. Okay. To understand, this is a diagram. A container is filled with water. Okay, container is filled with water and colloidal particles are inside the parchment paper, are dipped in the water. There are two tubes. First tube, water are passed inside the solution. Okay. So now, what is definition? The process of separating substances in colloidal state from those present in true solution state with the help of fine membrane is known as dialysis, and the membrane is known as dialyzer. This apparatus is used for dialysis is known as dialyzer. Okay. In this method, the sol means colloidal sol is taken in a membrane, taken in a parchment paper or original membrane, packed and placed in running water. The soluble impurities are gradually diffused, that is going in running water and filtered, and the pure colloidal solution remains in bag. So this is dialysis. Dialysis should be two types. It is electrodialysis and thermal dialysis. So electrodialysis is when electric current is passed in the solution. It's called electrodialysis. Dialysis is a slow process, but when impurities is an electrolyte, then dialysis can be fastened by electrolysis. In electrodialysis, electrodes are fitted outside the parchment bag. Impurity particle move towards oppositely charged electron and flow out with water. This is a arrangement. There are two electrodes are fitted outside the parchment paper, anode and cathode. When electric current is passed in the solution, positive electrolyte moves towards into cathode and negative particles of electrolyte move toward into anode. So this is the process for removing impurities from colloidal solution. This is called electrodialysis. Hot or thermal dialysis, when hot water is used in dialysis process. Okay, when hot water is used in dialysis process, it's called thermal dialysis or hot dialysis. Our next topic is ultrafiltration. So ultrafiltration is the process. This process is performed by using a special type of filter paper known as ultrafiltration paper. Okay. Normal size of filter paper should be very large, very large. So the size of pores of the ultrafilter paper is such that colloidal particles are retained on filter paper while impurities pass through. Ultrafilter paper are prepared by reducing the size of pores of ordinary filter paper. Okay, so this is called ultrafilter paper. Yes, normal filter paper has pores very large. Their colloidal solution has also filtered from this filter paper, but ultrafilter paper has low pores. Normal filter paper has to be dipped in a solution of gelatin or formaldehyde. Okay, gelatin or formaldehyde, or we can take the solution of nitrocellulose. Okay, these type of solution can be used in this process. So pores of filter paper should be small, and this filter paper is called ultrafilter paper. When colloidal particles are filtered off this filter paper, impurities of electrolyte should be filtered, but colloidal solution should not be filtered from this filter paper. Okay, this process is called ultrafiltration. This is called ultrafiltration. I hope you can all understand the topic.